Using ruler and compass only, construct a triangle ABC with BC. See here, ABC with BC 4 centimeter. ACB, that is this angle is 45 degree, and perpendicular from A1 BC, that is this length is 2.5 centimeter. Then circumcircle you have to draw. Now first you take BC 4 centimeter here. 4 centimeter you take at first. This is 4 centimeter I am taking. This is 4 centimeter. This is B and this is C. At C you draw 45 degree. So 45 degree at first you have to draw 90 degree. Then 90 degree you have to bisect. Then only you will get 45 degree. So this is 90 degree. So 90 mark, at first you mark this 90 degree. This 90 you mark. Then from this marking point one arc, and from this point another arc. Then you join these two. That will be 45 degree. Now where is A point we do not know. But this height from A to BC, the length will be 2.5. So you take one 2.5 meter length. From 0 to I am taking 2.5. So this is the length. So you take this length and draw two umbrella. Umbrella means from C one arc you draw, and from B also you draw another arc. That is the umbrella. Now this umbrella head you join. These two umbrella head you join. If you join these two umbrella head, this umbrella head I am joining. Then you will get what? A point you will get. This is point A. Now you join AB, you will get triangle ABC. This is ABC triangle. Now draw circle circumscribing the triangle. So you have to draw two side bisectors. So let me draw this side bisector. BC side bisector I have drawn here. This is BC side bisector. Then here is that, it is little deviated. BC side bisector I have drawn. Then you bisect AB side. So from A one arc, from B another arc. Now join this two point, this point and that point. See, I am joining this. These two bisector meet at this point. So put your compass here and pencil up to B or up to A or up to C. Then draw circle. Then it will be circumscribing circle or circumcircle. So that the sum is done. You can give name here everywhere. K L M N O P and center is O. That's all for this sum.